Good morning. I am Rajapagalavan. Today we are going to discuss about two basic law in basic electrical engineering. First one is Ohm's law. Ohm's law gives the relationship between the potential difference V, second one current I, and third one is resistance R. Is only for DC circuits. So Dr. Ohms is discovered this law in 1827. Okay, Ohm's law states whenever the current flowing through the electrical circuits is directly proportional to the potential difference across these electric circuits and inversely proportional to the resistance of these circuits, provided temperature remains constant. So mathematically, we can write I directly proportional to V by R. Consider one conductor. Example, if you are considering one conductor, it has some resistance, say like R. Current flowing these conductors is called I. Is voltage, applied voltage across these conductors is, we can say like V. So now we can write I is equal to V by R, V is equal to I into R, R is equal to V by R. Now the Ohm's law states the ratio between the potential difference between the 2 points of these conductors to the current flowing through these conductors is constant, provided temperature remains constant. So whenever we are applying this Ohm's law in particular circuits, we want, if you are applying the Ohm's law in entire the circuits, we want to calculate the voltage across these entire circuits, and also we want to calculate the resistance of the entire circuits. Same, if you are applying this Ohm's law in particular part of the circuits, we want to calculate the voltage across this part of the circuits, and we want to calculate the resistance of this part of the circuits. So, and also next one is limitations of Ohm's law. Generally, Ohm's law is having two limitations. One is it's not suitable for non-linear devices like diode. Second one is Zener diode. Third one is voltage regulators. Etc. So these are the non-linear devices. Next one is it is not, the next limitation is it's not good for non-metallic material like silicon carbide. Next, we are going to discuss about Kirchhoff law. Kirchhoff law is a German physicist. He was invented or formatted these two kind of laws in 1847. First one is Kirchhoff current law. And second one is Kirchhoff voltage law. Now we are going to discuss about Kirchhoff current law. Consider this Kirchhoff law one mainly applicable for network simplification with purpose point of view. The Kirchhoff is formed as this law. Consider complex networks. It having some junction points like the current flowing like this. I1 is incoming I2 is outgoing I3 and also outgoing I4. The Kirchhoff current law, this is a junction point. First one, if you are saying I1 is equal to 3 amps, I2 is equal to 3 amps, the total is 6 amps. So we can write I3 is equal to 1 amps, I4 is equal to 5 amps. The Kirchhoff current law states the total current entering to the point, junction point, is equal to total current away from this junction point. Is called the Kirchhoff current law. And also we can say like algebraic sum of this current at the junction point is equal to 0. Like I at the to 0. So now we can write I1 plus I2, I3, I4 is equal to 0. So incoming currents are we are providing plus, and outgoing currents are we are providing the minus sign. So I1 plus I2 is equal to I3 plus I4. These are the equations. Now we are going to discuss about Kirchhoff voltage law. Kirchhoff voltage law Kirchhoff voltage law is explain about this closed path electrical circuits, the network like that. This we are going to consider R1, R2, and plus minus. So this is a circuit. For example, consider these circuits. The Kirchhoff voltage law KVL is explains algebraic sum of this voltage drop of the each elements is equal to algebraic sum of this EMF in this closed path. So we can write algebraic sum of voltage is equal to 0. Thank you.